Hello friends. Welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 10 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. This actress is famous all over the world, isn't she? He has hit the door. He has no sympathy. He is indifferent to their needs. Do you understand what it is? Were their results compared? I'd rather you did it. I would prefer to keep silence. He is his distant relative. Had they left the building by the time they arrived? The news might have been heard.